What do you think happened? I told her I didn't do it.
Ah! Yona tired of waiting! Yak's always home for holidays!
How do you celebrate Hearth warming in Yakistan, Yona?
Yaks do not! Our holiday, much better, is called Snildart Fest. Night before, Yaks gather things to smash and put them in big pile. Then, in morning, we smash them. In afternoon, we smash them again. In evening...
So, it's just about smashing stuff, like all your other holidays.
No! How'd Griffin get that idea? This holiday about so much more. Last year, for example, most perfect Snildart ever. All family. Grandpa, Grandma Yak, Yona's brother, sister, mother, father Yak, all go to woods, singing Yak song.
Yak song, Yak song, not very long, sing again. Yak song, not very long, sing again. Yak song, not very long, sing again.
Calves and family pick out perfect smashing log. Then Yak smash it! Then Yak family build perfect snow fort. And smash it! Then we hang perfect things on perfect moss pile and...
You smash it!
What do you think Yaks are? Barbarians? Moss pile is for special family rituals. Last year, ritual for Yona. All Yak family gather around Yona and braid Yona hair for first time.
So, to recap, your holiday is about smashing things and family.
Two most perfect things ever put together. Happy Snildart Fest! Happy Snildart to you too, Yona! It's so cool to learn new traditions from new friends! Yeah, well, one of these new friends has gotten us all in trouble, and they better confess soon. Sambar? Sorry, but they said they want you to go in next.